This is Kiko Santelices from Cabanatuan City. Get to know me in 31 questions.
Kaping barako or baterol na tsokolate?
Paterol na tsokolate.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
If you're going to describe yourself in 3 words, what would it be?
Artistic, full of life, and determined.
What inspires you?
My family.
What's your favorite book?
The Book of Genesis.
What's your favorite Filipino dish?
Adobo, laswa, and sinabawang gulay.
Favorite dessert?
Turon with mantikado ice cream by Puno.
If you had to work but didn't need the money, what would you choose to do?
Teaching children free lessons in ballet and singing.
What's the most interesting fact you learned about the Philippines?
That we have a government even pre-colonial period.
If you had the world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say?
I would say that let us create safe spaces for children so that they can grow, inspire, and find their calling.
Hobbies you'll never forget.
Of course, doing art.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
An ambassador, a spokesperson, or maybe the newest tourism secretary.
How would you describe Philippines in 3 words?
In 3 words, the Philippines would be vibrant, energetic, and inspirational.
Do you prefer to travel alone or with friends and family?
I have never tried traveling alone, so maybe alone this time.
If you could disinvent one thing, what would it be?
Of course, the electric chair.
If you could live in the life of a historical figure, who would it be?
Apolinario Mabini. He is smart, influential, and very critical.
What's the best thing in traveling the Philippines?
Of course, the people, the product, and its places.
Nature or city?
Nature.
Where is your dream vacation?
Bukidnon, Boracay, or El Nido.
What are the most beautiful things in the Philippines? Why?
Most beautiful things in the Philippines would be its nature, its natural flora and fauna, and the food.
If you would choose a travel buddy, Jose Rizal or Antonio Liu?
Of course, the linguist. I believe that language is the key to every culture, so I would choose Jose Rizal.
One word that motivates you.
I would like to say money, but my dreams.
Tricycle or jeep?
Of course, tricycle.
Where do you want to spend your Christmas?
We haven't spent it at the beach, so maybe at the beach.
What's something you wish people knew about you?
That I spend most of my time alone for reflection and healing.
What's the most profound thing you learn about life?
That it becomes longer if you search for its purpose, and it becomes shorter when you take it for granted.
What's the most beautiful word in Filipino language?
It is in old Tagalog language. It is Hiraya Manawari, which means reach for your dreams.
What's something that gives you hope for the future?
The children.
Promote the Philippines in 4 words.
4 words that would be isa puso ang turismo Pilipino.
If you would create a hashtag for Philippine tourism, what would it be?
Of course, I'm from Cabanatuan City. We're the tricycle capital of the Philippines. So, tricycle. Hashtag tricycle. Try the people, try the product, and try the places.
If you could send a message to the entire world, what would you say?
That collaboration is better than discord, and let us uphold cultural and international understanding.
Thank you so much for answering our questions.
That's 31 questions already?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.